Transform harsh edges into smooth, inviting curves that elevate your designs and captivate your audience. Let's dive into Photoshop and discover how to effortlessly round those edges, giving your creations a polished and professional feel. First, ensure you have your shape or image layer selected in the Layers panel. Now, with your layers selected, head over to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, you can easily access it by going to Window greater than Properties. Within the Properties panel, look for the Path Options section here. You'll find a radius slider. Simply drag this slider to the right to progressively round the corners of your shape. You'll see the effect immediately as the sharp corners transform into smooth, flowing curves. For more control, you can unlink the corner constraints by clicking the small chain icon. This allows you to adjust the radius of each corner individually. Now, you can enter specific numerical values for each corner. This is perfect for creating asymmetrical rounded effects or accentuating particular areas of your design. But what if you want to round the edges of a selection, not a shape layer? No problem. Make your desired selection first, then navigate to the Select menu, hover over Modify, and choose Smooth. A small dialog box will pop up here. You'll enter a sample radius value. This value determines how much the edges will be smoothed. Enter your desired radius and click OK. Your selection now has beautifully softened edges, ready for further manipulation. This is incredibly useful for creating soft-edged masks on your photos, adding a gentle feathering effect that blends images seamlessly. Rounding edges is a simple yet powerful technique that can dramatically improve the visual appeal and professionalism of your graphic design work. Experiment with these methods and start creating more engaging and aesthetically pleasing designs today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.